Hello friends, in this lesson we will see how to open and manage multiple files at the same time. Let's go to File, Open. Here we can do a few things. We can either select the files by clicking one and then control clicking the other, or click one or shift click the last one, we can select all, or control A we can select all, or we can marquee select all of these and then click open. In the same manner, we can open the files from this mini bridge. Go to mini bridge, go to the files, marquee select or control select or shift select. Now since I have all the files open here, we can see that these are the different tabs for different files. By right clicking on the tabs, we can do a lot of things like close this file or close all files, or a new document or open document, and so on. We can also change the order of the documents by clicking and dragging them. One other thing that we can do is we can undock a document from here and bring it into a new window, or we can also dock it under this window and split the window. We can see this blue line highlighting and leave the mouse and we can split the window. This is called the arrangement of the windows. We can also arrange the files according to some presets. These presets can be found here under Window, Arrange, and these are so many options like Tile all vertically, see, other one is Tile all horizontally, and so on. There are many presets. You can yourself try them all. To bring them back to the default arrangement, let's go to Consolidate all two tabs. This brings us back to the default arrangement. We can also float a window from here itself. Go to Windows, Arrange, Float in Window. This is docked out and become a floating window. I will arrange them back into the Consolidate all tabs. We can also make a copy of a document. Suppose we are working on two monitors. It's better to make a copy. To do so, let's go to Window, Arrange, and New Window. Now we can see we have two documents with the same name, beverages1.jpg and beverages1.jpg. This is the original window and this is the copy. Let's arrange them vertically. Suppose this is the second monitor and this is the first monitor. This is the copy and this is the original. Now take a brush and start painting on this one. Let's take a color, say red. Now whatever we do on this window, we can see it on the other monitor. Suppose we zoom on a specific area and paint it and want to see the effect as a whole, we can do that. Cool. There are some other options we can use. For example, go to Windows, Arrange, and Match Zoom. It means that it will match the zoom of all the documents. It has zoomed in this one 380% because this one was also 380%. There are a lot of things we can do. Just feel free to check each of these options. Now when we close the copy document, it will close. But when we close the original document, it will ask to save the changes. That's all for this lesson, friends. Let's go to the next lesson.